Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. On the sidelines of African Child Day celebrated throughout the Black Continent on June 16, the Salesians of Don Bosco of the Africa Great Lakes Visitors AGL, which includes Rwanda, Uganda and Burundi, invite families starting with their parents to join forces to take care of the well-being of children from birth to reaching adulthood, because this is what will help them become good and precious citizens for their country of origin and for the continent in general. Every year on 16 June, African Children's Day is celebrated, the theme of which this year is 30 years after the adoption of the Charter, speeding up the implementation of the 2040 Agenda for a Child-Friendly Africa. World Refugee Day will be celebrated on Sunday, June 20th. In Spain last year, only 5% of the approximately 1,15,000 asylum applications were accepted, a far cry from the European average of 33%. Salesian social platforms provide assistance to about 1,000 people seeking international protection of refugees through residential resources for international protection, social work, integration, language learning and reception programs. At present, the number of refugees and displaced persons in the world amounts to around 80 million. But beyond the numbers, there are the people and life stories that led them to flee their countries. People who, after suffering serious violations of their fundamental rights, often encounter rejection and misunderstanding, lies and ignorance. The COVID-19 pandemic in Thailand is still being felt, and not only in Bangkok, the capital. From the daily statistics that are released, between 2,300 and 3,000 new infections are still recorded every day. Recent surveys have reported of people who have contracted coronavirus in large factories in many provinces, especially in Phetchaburi. About 3,000 people tested positive for COVID-19 out of 5,000 workers, mostly from neighboring countries. The virus has spread to adjacent villages. The government has made a lot of efforts to bring vaccines to people, but as a percentage, the numbers are not high. We need more time. In addition, due to the continuing instability in Myanmar, some Burmese citizens, especially along the border areas, have fled their country to take refuge in Thailand, and they experience serious difficulties. A new edition of the recently appointed course for inspectors closes on June 19, the second that takes place with the General Council elected by the General Chapter 28, and the second also that has been achieved since the beginning of the pandemic. Since 6 June, 7 inspectors have been sharing their days with the Rector Major and his first collaborators, while they know in detail the roadmap and guidelines of the congregation and present to the General Council the reality of their constituencies. 12 young people from De Takel Ostende, a Salesian organization that is committed to young people in socially vulnerable situations, will make an adventurous 120-kilometer journey through the Alps to Turin from 4th to 18 July to reach the places of Don Bosco. The goal of this mountain expedition is to help young people overcome their limits and regain self-confidence. The mountains and nature arouse inspiration, admiration, reflection, and give the energy to dare and look forward. During the course and already in the preparation phase, the children can learn a lot and in a short time about working together, taking responsibility and facing setbacks. This intense life experience that instilled self-esteem, self-confidence and a sense of responsibility will help young people find their way into life. On June 12, the communities of the Salesian province of Ecuador, ECU, and the National Salesian family experienced the Provincial Feast 2021 in the Church of Mary Help of Christians of La Tola, a place that has special significance because it was the first temple that was built by Salesians in the country in 1900. The forerunner of this work was the Salesian coadjutor Jacinto Pankeri, who worked to spread devotion to Mary Help of Christians in the nation. According to the chronicles of that time, the small replica of the sanctuary of Valdoco in Turin was financed entirely by the work and funds of the Salesian Cooperatory and by the alms of the devotees of the Virgin. During last Saturday's feast, one of the most important moments of the celebration was the thanks of the Salesian family to the Inspector of Ecuador, Father Francisco Sanchez, whose animating presence even in times of pandemic is a fundamental reference for communities. A portrait of Don Bosco has been made in the courtyard of the Salesian house Eduardo Agnelli in Turin. The artwork, about 7 meters high, was made by Frankie Abrams, aka Enclosed 18, using only spray cans. The artist attended from the 3rd grade to the 1st grade the Salesians of the St. Luigi, where he met the figure of Don Bosco. I must say that I have lived fantastic years which I do not forget, years that have made me grow so much. And I must also say that this committee has taken me back a little bit in the past, and it was a symbolic tribute to my time. Only a boy who really lived the Don Bosco experience in a Salesian house can become an artist capable of making Don Bosco's eyes so expressive. From today, those eyes will talk to our kids in the yard. The educational relationship is a game of looks, the gaze of those who take care of us, comments Don Gianmarco Pernicci, SDB, Director of the Oratory. On June 8, at the hall of the Pontifical John Paul II University in Krakow, Professor Don Tadeusz Bajasaga, SDB, was awarded the Gold Medal Bene Merendi for the many years of intense scientific, didactic and organizational work and a great commitment to the development of the university. The medal was awarded by the University Synod and delivered by the Rector in the presence of representatives of the Synod, deans and professors of the individual faculties. Don Bajasaga has been conducting his research and teaching work for 40 years. In 1981, he became a lecturer at the major seminary of the Salesian Society in Krakow. He has taught subjects such as anthropology, ethics, theory of knowledge, methodology, semiotics, history of modern and contemporary philosophy, and bioethics. From 1988 to 1996, he worked as an assistant professor in the Department of Ethics at the Faculty of Philosophy of the Academy of Catholic Theology in Warsaw. Since 1996, he has been working at the Faculty of Philosophy, first at the Pontifical Academy of Theology in Krakow and then at the John Paul II University. He is the promoter of 8 doctorates and 270 theses, licensing and postgraduate theses. He is the author of 13 books and 170 articles in magazines and collective works, both Polish and foreign. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.